In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to practice Demo Company on Xero. The Demo Company is a safe sandbox version of Xero filled with sample data. It's perfect for exploring features, testing workflows, and building confidence without touching any real accounts. To get there from your Xero dashboard, click your name at the top of the screen to open the account menu, then click Demo Company. Xero will load a practice organization with realistic customers, suppliers, bank accounts, and transactions. Once you're inside, you can start practice here. Treat it like a real business, but remember, it's all sample information, so feel free to experiment. It's a great place to try things as you might be hesitant to test in a live file. Begin by getting familiar with how you sell. Click Sales. In this area, you can create a quote, turn it into an invoice, apply a payment, or issue a credit note. Try changing invoice dates, due terms, and tax options, and watch how statuses update from draft to approved to paid. Next, click Purchase. This mirrors the buying side of the business. Create a bill, attach a sample file, allocate it to an expense account, and mark it as paid. Notice how bills flow into cash flow and reports, and how coding affects your accounts. Click Reporting to see your financial story. Open the profit and loss and balance sheet. Then adjust date ranges and compare periods. Explore aged receivables and aged payables to understand who owes money and what's due. Try customizing columns or layouts to see how presentation can improve insight. Click Payroll to explore employees, pay items, and pay runs. You can preview a pay run, look at tax settings, and check leave balances, all without processing anything live. Region-specific features may vary, but the flow will help you understand the process end to end. Click Accounting to view the chart of accounts, bank accounts, and bank reconciliation. Practice reconciling sample transactions. Create a manual journal to see its effect on reports, and review bank rules to speed up future reconciliations. Click Task to try simple time entries and to-dos. This is useful for tracking effort on client work and linking activity to billing. Click Contact to explore customers and suppliers. Edit a contact, add notes, assign a default account, or group contacts to segment your lists. Avoid using real personal data here. Finally, click Project to build a sample project, add tasks and time, record costs, and review profitability. This ties together quotes, billing, and work in progress. Keep exploring these areas at your own pace. The Demo Company is the best way to learn by doing, with zero risk and plenty of room to try, review, and refine your skills.